Morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am speaking about the Shakti Path Yoga as explained by Saint Tirumular in Tirumandram. Tirumandram is a Saiva work, classic work containing different kinds of Siva Yogas. These Siva Yogas are very advanced. They are from the Agamic root. They may be termed as Siva Agama Yogas or Tantric Yogas. Other yogas are deriving root from Vedanta, and since they are in Sanskrit, it went worldwide. But these Siva Yogas are written in Tamil, particularly Tirumandram. This has not reached the international community. The international community has to study and practice it only when it is translated to their own languages. I am making humble efforts to translate these books into English. So anyway, even though it is a Saivat book explaining different kinds of yogas, it contains 9 chapters. One chapter is dealing with the Parashakti, Shakti worship, that is Shakti Yoga. In Shakti worship, there are 4 stages. One stage, temple worship. Second is Kriya. You can do puja, soma and some practice on your own. And the third is yoga level, which leads you to 4th level. Only when you reach the 4th level, you can get mukti, that is called jnana. Because the yoga speeds up getting jnana, realization, within a short period, and mukti will be ensured in this birth itself. That is the speciality of yoga. Speciality is that if you follow any other marga, sarya, griya, it may take a long time. But if you do this practice and you activate the energy centers in your body, then you will get quick results. That's why the Shaktipath Yoga mentioned in Tirumandram is pursued by even Shakti persons of different sections. There are so many Shakti Sandra also, but this is explained in the Shaktipath Yoga in detail. There are the 108 centers, Shakti centers are called Varma. They are present in your body. The main Shakti Pida is pineal gland, pituitary gland and hypothalamus. The Marmas are another name for Parashakti. Many people think that Marma is for treatment. Marma, Varma, another name is Parashakti, another name is Anandarivi. Anandarivi is also Parashakti. Shoot some secret points. Actually, these are all Shakti Pidas, 108 Shakti Pidas. 108 Shakti Pidas are present in India, and the temples are also there. In the same way, 108 energy centers are in your body. The energy centers means Shakti beats. So the energy centers are of millimeter dia and they revolve, rotate in your body. So through Shaktipath Yoga, you can stabilize, you can cleanse and absorb the cosmic energy through these points. There are different kinds of breathing. One breathing is you are drawing in oxygen and sending out carbon dioxide. This is lungs breathing. There is also skin breathing. Through the holes of the skin, some kind of oxygen and pranic inhalation is there, absorption is there. Another breathing is your prana present in your astral body. It draws in external prana and the negative pranas present in your body will be sent out through the Varma points. So through these Varma points or Shakti pairs, you are drawing in spiritual energy, cosmic energy, and is sending out the negative energy from your body. That is a major thing in Shakti Yoga. So you can get further details in Varma books also. Through chakra activation, you are absorbing the energy, storing in the these dasa vayus. The negative energy is sent out through the Varma points. How to activate these energy points? How to tap the benefits of the energy points? This cosmic energy is present in your body in the form of earth energy, water energy, heat energy, air energy, cosmic energy, agas, space energy. Only this mixture of these permutation and combinations of the energy is wealth. If you activate certain points in your body, then your attraction for wealth will increase. There are certain points in your body which you can do away with the negative energy inside and outside. So mind reading power also you can develop by activating Anahata points. Telepathy, telecommunication and clairvoyant power will be developed by the yogi when he activates the Visuddha. And in the Shiva Yoga, they are explaining these points in terms of male deities. Brahma for Muladhara, Vishnu for Swadhisthana, Manipuraha Rudra, and Mageshwara, Anagada, Visuddhi, Sadasiva. In the same way, in Shaktipat Yoga, they are explained as Saraswati, Lakshmi, Rudrani, Mageshwari, Manonmani, Kameswari, Vajreswari, Bhagamalini, Mahadiripura Sundari. And during this yoga practice, the Sri Chakra will be formed in your Guru Mandala. The light of moon will be enshrined around your head and Guru Mandala will be filled with this moonlight, and in that light the Sri Chakra will be formed. You can worship the Sri Chakra and you can get benefits from that. Once the Sri Chakra is formed in your Guru Mandala through rigorous practice of Shaktipat Yoga, they will be always with you 24 hours throughout the day. It will bless not only you, it will radiate and give blessing to the persons around you also. This is the benefit of the Sri Chakra enshrined in the Guru Mandala. So different combinations of these Shakti Peda and the 108 Shakti centers and the 108 Shakti centers are controlled by pituitary gland, Parashakti Pedam, and the hypothalamus, Narayana Pedam, and the pineal gland, final Shiva Pedam, which gives Mukti. So there are Tirumular is explaining different hymns regarding this, how to convert this energy, how she is present in your body, and in different combinations he is explaining. In hymn 1100, he says, she reveals the higher consciousness. She remains a ladder for getting to Shiva. You climb up to Shiva step by step through using this ladder. And she is the road to Shiva. She is the means to reach the end called Shiva. And in the yoga path, she is the 8th energy, Parabindu. And she takes you to the 9th energy, Paranadam, the final Shiva energy, which gives you Mukti. He explains it in this hymn. Kola Kulali, Kulaya Purvattal, Neela Kuvalai, Malaranna Kanninal, ஆலிக்கும் இன்னமுது ஆனந்த சுந்தரி மேலை சிவத்தை வெளிப்படுத்தாளே. She is a very beautiful energy, blissful energy. She envelops you in the form of bliss and finally takes you to the final energy, highest consciousness called Shiva. Shiva consciousness gives you mukti. This Parashakti helps you during the Shaktipat Yoga. You have to do the Shaktipat Yoga and get this On the path to Mukti, you can get wealth, you can do many wonders. In next hymn, 1101, he says, she gives bliss, then fills rays in your astral body. Your astral body will be made luxurious. That is, through Shaktipat Yoga, your astral body will be cleansed and your astral body will expand. Not only expand, these layers of the expanded astral body will be filled with radiance. In my practical class, many persons have had this experience. They radiate energy during the training program. So then she finally causes merger of the Shiva. This Jiva Atman becomes one with Shiva, the final energy. Nada Andam, Paranadam, Nada Andam. வெளிப்படுவித்து விளைவு அறிவித்து தெளிப்படுவித்து என் சிந்தையின் உள்ளே களிப்படிவித்து கதிர்படி சோதி ஒளிப்படிவித்து என்னை உய்ய கொண்டாளே. She has redeemed me by giving the cosmic energy and light, by giving luxurious light in my astral body. She gave clarity to my mind, தெளிப்படுவித்து. She gave bliss in my mind. She gave bliss. And she made me, he revealed all these things in me in the Shaktipat Yoga. So mere temple worship, you go to temple worship, you cannot get all these things. Through Shaktipat Yoga, you can get all these in a short period. Temple worship, in temple, they are even not allowing to stand for more than certain minutes. They will, due to rush, they will push you out. But in your house, you can do the Shaktipat Yoga for half an hour, 1 hour, and you can meditate. And you can receive the energy, Parashakti energy present everywhere. It is also inside you and it is also outside you. You are the microcosm. She is present in the microcosm as well as she is present in the macrocosm. The thing is, you have to draw in the energy. The energy at present in your body is called biocurrent. The energy you have to draw in is astral current or cosmic current. In addition to that, biocurrent. The biocurrent is having a human quality. The astral current or cosmic current is having all the qualities of Parashakti, all the abilities of Parashakti, all the knowledge of Parashakti. All these things are available in this Shaktipat Yoga. Moreover, she explains how she is present and what are the forms she is present here. She is present in your body as different combinations of energy, and these are giving different results. I have already explained. This gives the lower chakras, give you wealth. How to live in this? There are 2 types of energy. From Nadi, the energy is covering. This is called a Kila Lavachai. That is the energy, downward flowing energy. And after Mani Murava, it is upward moving energy. When you activate Muladhara and Swadhisthana up to Manipuraha, you will get all wealths. Above Manipuraha, you will get all spiritual powers. All these you can choose for yourself. And the training I am giving accordingly for those who need earthly benefits as well as spiritual benefits. Those who want this training, contact me. Thank you.